Now I know you probably have heard this term being tossed out a lot before, and a lot of us don't really know what it means. We just kind of go along with the conversation like, yeah, oh yeah, machine learning, yeah, but we don't understand the complexities behind it. Hey guys, it's Jacob with Imagine Tech. Today we're going to be talking about the top 3 cutting edge technologies in 2023. Technology is so crazy nowadays. I feel like every year there's something new being released. So I made this video to kind of help us understand and wrap our heads around the new things that are being released and some of the underlying technologies. Number 3 on the list, computer vision. Computer vision is a field in artificial intelligence which gives a program the ability to analyze visual data. Now anybody with an iPhone might be familiar with this type of technology. Computer vision gives our phones the ability to recognize faces. So essentially it could be able to analyze objects in real time, like cats, dogs, people, cars, things like that. Now I know you might be wondering, well, how is this even possible? Well, I want you to think about it like this. There are on average 3 billion photos being shared on social media every day. So think of the amount of data that these programs have to work with. So this technology can be used in autonomous driving, facial recognition software, and virtual reality applications, as well as healthcare applications. Number 2 on the list, machine learning. Now I know you probably have heard this term being tossed out a lot before, and a lot of us don't really know what it means. We just kind of go along with the conversation like, yeah, oh yeah, machine learning, yeah, but we don't understand the complexities behind it. Machine learning is the ability for a program to be able to update and adapt itself when exposed to new data. So essentially, this program is using historical data to be able to predict the future. And these algorithms are really trained with some of the largest data sets in the world to help find any type of pattern, any type of connection in the data. And then number 1 on the list, natural language processing. Want to know what natural language processing is? Well, you're doing it right now. It's the process of taking words and sentences that you hear and building some type of comprehension from it. Natural language processing is kind of like speech recognition, but instead of converting the speech to text, it's actually just converting the text into a type of data structure the computer can understand and even use. This data structure can be actually used to generate all different sorts of content. You might notice it when you go into a Google search bar and type even just one word. Virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri also use it, and programs that use autocorrect use it as well. And more recently, we've seen the rise of ChatGPT, which is the most advanced natural language processing system that we have ever seen. It essentially has gathered decades of information, and any type of prompt, any type of question that you ask it, is able to use that information and return it back to you in the format that you've requested it in. Now we're going to talk a little bit about how it works. The first step is tokenization. Now tokenization is basically a fancy way of saying breaking the sentence down into smaller chunks. And then from there you can either go to stemming or lemmatization. Now stemming is the process of just trying to find the root or the stem of the token. For example, the root of running is run. Lemmatization is using the dictionary definition to find the root or the stem of the word. After that, part of speech tagging is used. Now part of speech tagging is where the placement of the word is basically used to determine what part of speech it is and consequently the meaning of the word. Lastly, name entity recognition is used to determine if the token is some type of special noun or location or city or person that we should be recognizing off top. Thank you for watching the video here today. I hope that it helped give you some sort of understanding about some of the technology we're seeing nowadays. We talked about computer vision, we talked about machine learning, and also natural language processing. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this video. And also check out some of our Amazon products that we're selling below in the captions.